By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step guide to online marketing that you can use to drive traffic, generate leads, and increase sales. Step 4 and 5 are the real nuggets of this video: website building and funnels. So make sure to stay to the end. Step number 1 is about finding your niche. And your niche should be a combination of your experiences, skills, your knowledge, your interests, and your passions. And preferably a niche where you can find demand and where you also can slide in and grab a piece of the market share. You can use this free tool, trends.google.com, to research your niche and to research the demand online for the topic that you're thinking about starting your business in. Also make sure that you research products and services that you can promote to your audience by being an affiliate. If you want a deep dive into finding your niche, watch this video that we've created for you before. Step number 2 is defining your target audience or your customer avatar. The second step in online marketing is defining your target audience. Who is your business really for? Who are you trying to reach out there? What are their interests, needs, pain points? And how can you serve them with your offers? By understanding your audience, you can create the perfect marketing message to stand out in the crowd and to speak directly to the needs and wants and desires of your customers. How will you serve your customers? Tell us in the comments. And again, there is a deep dive video. We'll link it in the description for you to watch after this one. Step number 3 is to develop your brand. And a brand is more than a logo and a color scheme. It's more about the value that you bring to your customers. It's about the personality and the ethics that your business represents. Develop a brand that speaks to your audience and sets you apart from competition. It should really describe what you're bringing to the table. A brand should have a feel. Like I said, step 4 and 5 are the nuggets of this video, and here we are. Next, we're moving on to setting up your authority website. Step number 4 is to build your website. Your website is really the essence of your online presence. It's where your customers will go to learn more about you, about your business, and to purchase your products and services. You should make sure to build a website that is visually appealing, easy to use, that is speaking directly to your audience, and that is optimized for search engines. So you typically want a website to have a section about you, another one about your business. There should be a contact page where your customers could reach you by filling in their topic, name, and email and ask you questions. On your website is also where you create landing pages and product pages and sales pages and thank you pages. And we're getting into that in just a little bit when we talk about the funnels. Smash like if this is giving you value. It's much appreciated. Thank you. Step number 5 is about setting up your sales funnels and your email list. It's about setting up an authority marketing system that works for you around the clock. And you're probably wondering why I'm holding this. And now here comes the explanation. You're going to define your sales funnel. It's like a description of the steps that your potential customers are going to take as they become your leads, buying probably, hopefully, a low-priced product from you, then a higher one with a higher price, higher quality, or higher value, and then hopefully eventually also becoming recurring customers, maybe subscribing to something that you're offering on a regular basis. And I know this can be a really confusing step if you're not used to the online world or the internet economy. So if you want to, we have a couple of free workshops that you can take. You can opt in at our website and we'll send you some free workshops so that you can go through this in peace and quiet, step by step at your leisure. You can find the link in the description of this video. We also have support for you to build your website and set up your funnels. Once you've decided on the steps for your potential customers to take, you're going to set up the funnel itself. That you do by creating a landing page. So a landing page is where your potential customers end up when they click a link on your video, blog post, or on social media. And your landing page should be very simple. It should be built for conversions, for getting your potential customers to opt in with their name and email. And on your landing page is where you are describing or promoting your lead magnet. So it's time to create your lead magnet. So a lead magnet is something that you offer potential customers in exchange for their email addresses. This is how you build an email list. You offer something for free, and in return, the potential customer will give you their email. The lead magnet usually is a free ebook, PDF, a guideline, an instruction, a webinar, or a video series. So when people come to your landing page, you present this option for them to opt in with name and email to get that free product that you're offering. At this point, a potential customer is coming into the top of your funnel. Next, you're going to set up your email service. So once you have your potential customer's email address, you can start nurturing them to become paying customers. They have opted in to your email list because they're interested in your business or you or the products and services that you're providing, and they're thinking that your product services can solve a problem, a need, or desire, or a pain point that they have. So now it's time to take care of that. So with a typical email marketing system, you can set up a sequence of emails that are now starting to be sent out to this potential customer. These people are your leads. They're warm leads because they, by choice, decided to opt in for your email list. And creating an email list is like having a life insurance for your business. It's the only place where you truly own your customer or the email addresses of your customers. You don't own your audience on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. And these are people that you can market directly to. If you want to write them an email, write them an email. If you want to promote a product or service that you think is good and that you think could be valuable to them, just write them an email. So with an email list, you're independent of your social following. Email marketing platforms that you can use, for example, Aweber or ConvertKit, they allow you to collect the emails and start sending out pre-programmed emails to that list. And of course, the first thing that happens is that you send them the lead magnet that you promised. And all of this is set up and it's happening automatically. This is why it works for you around the clock. So like I said, you want to nurture the list. You want to make sure that they, number one, stay on your list, and number two, become your paying customers. So now that your potential customers have come into the top of your funnel and you have given them the lead magnet, something for free, hopefully you'll nurture them so that as they progress further down into your funnel, they'll hopefully buy something with a low price from you, and then eventually a higher price, and maybe become recurring customers. There are a couple more things that you need to create. Once they opt in for your lead magnet, you also have to create a thank you page. And usually a thank you page also directs your potential customer, your lead, into a sales page. So you're going to have sales pages on your website that are optimized for conversion, for actually selling something to a cost. So with your niche, your audience, your brand, your website, your funnels, you are now ready to start generating traffic.